Are you getting a pop-up of a problem was detected with the True Depth camera, Face ID has been disabled in your iPhone? Then make sure to watch this video. The very first solution is you have to give fresh restart to your phone. For that, head towards the app settings, open it, scroll down and go to the option General. Scroll all the way down, you can see the option of shutdown, tap on it. Now slide this icon to the right and your phone will be turned off. After you turn off your phone, turn it back again. With that, your problem might be fixed. Likewise, heading towards the second solution, go to this option of software update, open it. If any updates are available over here, you can just update your software to its latest version by tapping on this option of download and install. Likewise, another solution is you have to reset your Face ID. For that, head towards this option of Face ID and passcode. Now enter your passcode over here. Now over here you will find this option of reset Face ID. Tap on that option and reset your Face ID. With that, your problem will be fixed. Now heading towards the very last solution, what you have to do is go to the option of General, open it, scroll all the way down. Now go to this option of Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset, select the option Reset All Settings. Now type in your passcode over here and just continue with the process. With that, all of your settings will be reset. Applying all of these solutions, your problem is definitely gonna be fixed. So this is how you can fix a problem was detected with the True Depth camera, Face ID has been disabled in your iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.